output with the help of YOLOv4. So as of now, YOLOv4 is one of the best algorithm, provides a support and one of the deep learning model also, come under the category of deep learning model also. The previous session explained some of the packages, some of the steps. So we need to continue. So from here to continue. So you have to prepare and zip the file, unzip the file. So here, once everything over, here YOLO means what's one of the object detection algorithm where it follow the bounding concept only. If at all object is there, it will bound boxes and give the clear output. That means image is there, whether it's image of man or vehicle or anything. So for this one, we have to write the coding. That one we have to write the coding called import OS, followed by from GoogleColab and import CV2 and import NumPy as a NumPy and matplotlib we are using, and CV2 is one of the open library supported by Python for display the files. So even if what are the images, then we are using the skeleton method, and from Excel we are getting import MS also, and we are use the function. That the function will help to translate from the Pascal VOC bounding box to the YOLO format here. For this one we are writing the x minimum, x maximum, y minimum, y maximum is called bounding box we are consider, and we are giving the mid value as a 0.5 and y mid as a 0.5 like that, and height we are setting and width setting, and we are following the attributes like image width and image height, and followed by x mid, width mid, and so on. Then we are writing the function called XML to YOLO conversion. So we are writing the function, we are using the tree, and we are assigning the size, and again use the attributes width and height, and we are writing the coding, necessary coding is useful to convert the XML format to the YOLO format. So after this only we can it will display the output properly. For this one we have to create the file called object names, and which contains the separate category names in the dataset, and after download dataset we can say everything, that is wanted classes maybe a helmet and head, and image extensions maybe a format of .png format here. So here the file you can write object names called output string and empty quotes. Then we are writing the file names, that is object names, because you have image, in the image support helmet is there, it will try to predict it. Yes, helmet, and head of the man is there, or woman say head like that, if not the not. Okay, then we are writing the code where it would give the information with the helmet and head, because we are giving the two objects are very important, and we are going to create a text file, YOLO annotate file here for each image. For this one I am writing the code ANN underscore XML underscore file underscore list. Then we can get all image names with the help of for loop, and we write the .txt annotations from the XML file. Then we are writing the coding. Once again continue the code where we are going to train and test the images. So what are the data set we are having? From the data set from the online we are taking with the help of darknet. Then we are writing the train image and followed by test image. Then train image, test images we are putting, and we can write the code train.txt, and where we write the W, and we can continue the coding. Then we are once given it will the information like hard hat working 0 image, followed by works 1.png and so on. Then we can create a file called object.data, where writing the object.data output string is a classes equal to, and train validation, and writing the code. Then you display the information like classes 2, train, valid, names, backup. Then we are writing the configuration file. If you want to generate the YOLO configuration file, we have to write the code called .cp cfg/YOLOv4 followed by tiny custom.cfg. Then we can follow some of the instructions at the row code where give the explanation. So given the information like this, so simple and easy only. And then we are going to bring the transfer learning. So transfer learning is one of the deep learning method, deep learning model, and also where it support for reusing. That means with the help of transfer learning, we can reuse the model and train it. Then we can go for at the end we can display the information with the help of the TensorFlow and YOLO inference. We can go for YOLO inference. At last we can direct the predict the image. So simple and easy. So here we can write the coding. See here is the prediction of helmet and man head and everything. I hope that you understand how to train the YOLOv4 on GoogleColab. Thank you for Medium website, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. I'm just zooming here. Yeah, so the one. Thank you.